Hi, my name is Michelle Wood, and this is my website, Entertainment Now in the Salt Lake Valley. I was new to coding at the beginning of the semester, and I had no idea what I was going to do for my website or how I was going to do it. It was very difficult for me to learn and apply the CSS to my website and make it work. I would say the thing I learned the most was the overall code because, as I said, I knew nothing. I'm a very organized person, so I wanted my website to be clean, organized, and cohesive. I chose the colors blue and green because those are the top two colors that men and women like. I also chose a rust color as an accent color and yellow as a background color. I went to a color picker site that helped me choose the color combinations that I have. I chose to use a serif font and a sans serif font. I knew I could use just one font, but I wanted some variety in my website. I used this patterned background because patterns make websites easier to read, and I also added transition times to my links. I've lived in the Salt Lake Valley for all but 5 years of my life, so for my website I wanted to highlight different unique places to see and different unique places to eat. This is the main purpose of my website. My plan is to highlight a new place and a new restaurant every week. My secondary navigation has links to my practice page and my style guide. I also have my copyright down in my footer. So back to my website. This is my About Me page. And this is my What to Eat page. And I put a link on the title of the restaurant and the location of the What to See page. And I also put a link down at the bottom. And as you can see, there are different links because they do different things. So this is my What to See page. And this is my contact page in case someone has questions about a location or suggestions for a location they'd like to have highlighted. So the logo at the top of the page returns to the home page. So this was a very eye-opening experience for me because, as I said, I had no experience with code, and my page may not be as intricate as others that took this class, but I am very pleased with the final results of my web page.